Hello everyone. Let's start grade 7 mathematics module 10 lesson number 5 probability of compound events. What are compound events? When two or more events happen at the same time, we call it compound events. For example, if I toss a coin and I roll a dice at the same time, we call it compound events. Why? Because two things are happening at the same time. Two events are happening at the same time. These are compound events, okay? Now, sample space, the total number of different possible outcomes are known as sample space. You already know. We have done it before. For example, if I talk about a coin, on a coin, how many different outcomes are there? Two different outcomes are there. Heads and tails. Both are different, correct? Let us practice a question. Understand the concept with the help of a question. A cafeteria offers three types of burgers. The burgers, three types are vegetarian, chicken, and meat, and two types of drink. The drinks are 7 Up and Dew. How many different type of combination of one burger and one drink can be made? So I have to choose one burger from here and one drink from here and see how many different outcomes can be made. First I will make all the combinations, then I will show you a trick to solve this question. So normal method. Let's say I choose veg burger. Okay. With the veg burger, I can take 7 Up. So my first combination will be veg burger with 7 Up. The second can be veg burger with dew. So I can take veg burger with the dew. Correct? Now, another man can choose chicken burger. With the chicken burger, he can take 7 Up. So this will become chicken burger with 7 Up. And chicken burger with the dew. So chicken burger with the dew. Or if he wants, he has the option to choose meat also. Meat burger with 7 Up and meat burger with dew. So total how many combinations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my answer will be 6 different combinations are possible. So this is the normal method of making the combinations. Now how will you do it quickly in the exam? Check carefully. Sample space यानी all the different possible outcomes. How will you find it? How many burgers do you see here? Three different types of burger. How many drinks do you see here? Two different type of drinks. So three types of burger and two types of drink. Just multiply them. 3 times 2 is 6. So simply answer is 6 different combinations are possible. You can check we got the same answer. Okay. So this is the trick. Take the different type of burgers, take the different type of drinks, multiply them, you got the total possible combinations. Next question. Omar orders a meal in a restaurant, okay? He has the following choices. Now this time three events are given. He can choose a main dish, one side dish, and one dessert. Correct? So now if I ask you before doing anything, can you tell me how many total outcomes are possible here? Different outcomes. So you will simply say how many main dishes here? Two main dishes. How many sides here? Two sides here. How many desserts here? Two desserts here. So my total number of possible outcomes are different possible outcomes will be 2 times 2 times 2. Yani I can make 8 different outcomes. So my total will remain 8 only. Okay. Find the probability. So whenever we talk about the probability, write the formula. Favorable outcome over total outcome. Okay. Now, what does he want? Find the probability that Omar will choose. Question number 1. He needs a fish, a mash, and a baklava. Okay. In the main dish, he wants a fish. Let me just erase it. Okay. So how many fish do you see here? Only one fish, right? So in my favorable outcome, only one fish is there. We always do multiply, remember. Now I did mash. How many mash here? Only one mash is given. So times 1. Now he needs what? Baklava. How many baklava given here? Only one baklava. So times 1. Divided by. Total how much? Already here 8. So 1 times 1 times 1 will give you 1. 1 over 8. When you will do divide, it will give you 0.125. In percentage, it will become 12.5%. I have already explained it how to do it. This is question number 1. Done. Question number 2. He said, this time I can choose any of the main dish. So when he said I can choose any of the main dish, so my favorable, for the favorable, see the total will remain 8 only, correct? Now in the favorable, he said any main dish. How many main dishes are there available? 2. So for the favorable, 2 main dishes are available. Then he needs a salad. How many salads are there? Only one salad. So 2 times 1. Then how many ice creams? Only one ice cream. 2 times 1 times 1. It will become 2 over 8. Divide 2, it will become 1 over 4, which means 0.25, which means 25% answer. Okay? This is how you have to do it. Let us take 1 or 2 examples from the book also. Here, find the probability of compound event. What is the first question? 2 number cubes, each labeled from 1 to 6 are rolled. So this time I have 2 number cubes. Number cube 1 and number cube 2. You know how many numbers are there on the number cube? There are 6 numbers on the number cube. What are the 6 numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct? Other number cube will also have 6 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct? Okay. Now, how many possible outcomes are there? I told you, simply multiply their different outcomes. So 6 multiply 6. Yani I can make 36 different outcomes here. If you want to see, the outcomes are given here. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, like this. See, 36 outcomes are there. All the 36 outcomes here, given in front of you. You can check in the book later on. Now, the total is given how much? Total is 36. Next, what is the probability? So we are talking about the probability. Okay, so probability यानी favorable over total. Correct? Favorable outcome over total outcomes. Okay. That I will, okay, favorable probability of rolling a sum of 9. What does it mean? See, you will roll the dice, correct? And on the top you will get some number. Let's say on the first dice I got a 2. On the second dice I got a 5. Sum यानी add them. 2 plus 5 how much? 7 here. Correct? This is the sum of the numbers on the 2 dice. He wants the sum to be 9. He wants the sum to be 9. In how many cases can I get it? How will you do it? You write all the numbers first. On the first dice, I can get 6 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Any of that, this number can come here on the top, right? On the second dice, again I can get any of the 6 numbers, correct? Yes or no? Now, let us start with the biggest number. If the first dice get a 6, with the 6, how much do I need to make a 9? You know 6 plus 3 will make a 9. So the first combination that can give me a sum of 9 is 6 and 3. Where is 6 and 3? You can check 6 and 3 here. One combination. Any other combination? Go one step above. 5. 5 and 4 can also give you a 9, correct? So yes, 5 and 4, second combination that can give me a 9. Then 4 and 5 can also give me a 9. Yes, here 4 and 5 can also give me a 9. Then 3 on the first and 6 on the second. 3 and 6 can also give me a 9. Yes. If I go to the 2 can join with the 6, but the 2 and 6 will give me 8 only. Yani now I cannot get any 9. So how many outcomes are there with 9? 1, 2, 3 and 4 outcomes only. So my favorable outcomes will be 4, which are giving me a sum of 9, and the total is 36. So 4 over 36. I will divide both the numbers with 4 because it is possible. 4 divide 4 is 1, 36 divide 4 will be 9. So 1 over 9 is the probability, okay, of getting a sum of 9. Next question, let us try one more question. Two coins are tossed and a number cube is rolled. So now we have three events, right? So I have two coins and a number cube. Coin has how many sides? Two sides, yani two possible outcomes, heads or tails, correct? Second coin again heads or tails, so two possible outcomes. Number cube, six numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So six possible outcomes. How will you find the total outcomes? Total possible outcomes are, simply I told you, multiply them. 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 6, 24. Yani I can get 24 different outcomes here, right? Now, what does he need? He needs the probability. Just one second. Okay. He needs the probability. So first of all, probability is favorable outcome over total outcome. You have to read the question carefully, okay? Only then you will get the correct answer. Probability of what? Tossing heads at least once and rolling an even number. Okay. So from the number cube, it is very simple. I need an even number. What are even numbers? Multiples of 2. Even number यानी multiple of 2. What are multiples of 2? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. These are multiple of 2. These are even numbers. How many even numbers are there on my number cube? You can see the 2, you can see the 4, you can see the 6. So there are 3 even numbers, right? Okay. Now, I need at least one head. At least yani I have two coins, right? So let's say I have to show you here. Let's say this is my coin number 1, this is my coin number 2, and this is my number cube. What is the first scenario? At least one head yani here I can get a head, here I can get a tail. At least one head yani I need at least one head. So one head is here. Check, yes. And here I need 2, 4, 6. How many heads? 1. How many tails? 1. And how many even number? 3. So 1 times 3, 1 times 3, 3. But it does not end here. He said at least one head, yani the second possible case is, let me just scroll it down a little bit. The tail can come here and the head can come here. This is again a different outcome, right? And again the 3 even numbers, right? 2, 4, 6. So 1 times 3 again. So again I got 3 different outcomes, right? Now he said at least one head, yani I can get 2 heads also, right? Yani head here also, and again 2, 4, 6 here. So one head here, and 3 even numbers here. So 1 times 1, 1, and times 3, 3. So total how many outcomes are there which are favorable to me? 3 plus 3 plus 3, 9 favorable outcomes. So 9 favorable outcomes will give me at least one head. Divided by total outcomes were how many? 24. Can I simplify this? Yes, by dividing it by 3. 9 divide 3, 3. 24 divide 3, 8. So 3 over 8 is the answer. Okay. I can show you here also. It will take some time. The video will get longer, but let me show you because this question was little bit tricky. Not difficult, but tricky. Let me show you. See, a table is given. Let's say the first coin will have a head, right? And a tail, correct? So with the head, no, telling it from here it will become difficult. You just try to remember, understand the method that I gave you. Okay, it will be easier for you. If I will start making the outcomes, it will become difficult for you to understand. Okay, so this method is better. He said at least one, yani head, tail, and 2 4 6, right? Second outcome, tail, head, and 2 4 6, and third outcome, head, head, and 2 4 6. Simple or no? So here one, and here three times 3. Here one, here 3 times 3. Here one, here 3 times and 3. Total 9 outcomes. It is easier. Do like this one. Okay. So this lesson is over. Practice the question from the book, and I see you next time. Goodbye.